What's going on, amigos? Welcome back to another VideoAmigo tutorial video, and in today's video we're going to talk about video lengths. So I'm sure most content creators on YouTube have wondered at some point, how long should I make my videos? What's the best length for my YouTube videos? And this tool, which is unique to just VideoAmigo, is going to be able to help you decide how long your videos should be. I know that for some channels on YouTube, it can be a best practice to make longer videos because you want to keep people engaged for longer and keep people watching your videos and run up that watch time. But sometimes having longer videos isn't always best for your channel. So this tool is an effective way to kind of go into your channel and see how long your videos should be when compared to other videos and other channels within the same topic as you. And VideoAmigo is effective in tracking more YouTube channels than pretty much any other platform besides YouTube itself. And we've categorized YouTube into 10,000 nested topics. And we've studied all the data across YouTube within each VideoAmigo topic to see how your channel stacks up against others. And then today, with using VideoAmigo, we're gonna dive in and we're gonna see exactly how long your videos should be. So let's jump over to VideoAmigo and let's take a look and see how this tool works. Okay, so once you're on videoamigo.com/YouTube creators, what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to click on Creator Tools Suite, as we do with most of our tools. And then from there, you're gonna wanna click on Analysis and Insights. And then out of all these options and tools here, you're gonna wanna click on Links. And then the channel that we're going to demo today is going to be Howdini. We're going to use our own channel. So then once you put your channel in, the tool is going to pop up and give you a bunch of information just like this. So our channel Howdini is actually categorized into a lot of different topics, but the first one we're going to look at is, if you click right here where it says Filter by Topics, the first one we're going to look at is the how-tos and life hacks galore. So we're comparing the Howdini channel with other channels within that same topic. So as you can see here, it says that right here at the top, our shortest video is around 35 seconds. And then below that in this first box, we can see the average length of a Howdini video, which is approximately 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And if you look at the box below, we can see the average video length of a video that's in the same topic. So as you can see right here, our topic is how-tos and life hacks galore. And the average video length for a video in that topic is about 4 minutes and 20 seconds. And then if we take a look at the other side, we can see that our longest video was about 12 minutes. And the average length of all YouTube videos is about 7 minutes and 5 seconds. As you can see here in this fine print, we've actually calculated the average length of all YouTube videos by looking at over 1.3 billion videos in our database. And then the last topic is average video length for the top 10% within that topic. And this is actually based on views. So the top 10% performing videos on YouTube for this topic have an average length of about 6 minutes and 42 seconds. So the biggest takeaway that we can get from looking at this data is that Howdini probably needs to make longer videos. So as you can see, our average video length is about a minute shorter than the average video length of videos within the same topic. And Howdini's average video length, as you can see right here in this first box, is only about half of the video length of the videos that are in the top 10% in that topic. So the top performing videos in the how-tos and life hacks galore topic are about twice as long as the average Howdini YouTube video. So like I said, I definitely think it would be wise on our end to make longer how-to videos that are probably around 6 minutes. Now, let's say we wanted to look at our channel, but look at it on a different topic. So again, if you go to Filter by Topics, you can click that. And then let's take a look and see how our channel stacks up in the cooking and entertainment topic. Okay, so once you click that, you can see the stats change just a little bit. So the average length for a video within the recipes and cooking topic is about 5 minutes and 42 seconds. And the average video length for the top 10% within that cooking topic is about 6 minutes and 32 seconds. So let's say for Howdini, we wanted to start making more cooking videos and how-to cooking videos and stuff. We can look at this data and see that we probably, again, should be making longer videos because the average video length in this topic is over 2 minutes longer than the average video length of a Howdini video. And then the average video length for the high-performing videos, the top 10% in this cooking topic, are about twice as long as the average Howdini video. So looking at Howdini compared to the cooking topic, I think it's pretty safe to assume that we should be making longer videos if we decide that we want to make more cooking videos on the Howdini channel. So here's another cool thing you can do with this tool in VideoAmigo. So let's say Howdini wants to promote videos within a new topic on their channel, and they want to know the current average video length of videos in that topic, and they want to know the length of videos that are top performing within that topic. So all we would need to do is just click on this gear right here at the top right, and then click on channel categories. Okay, so if we go here to search by topic, let's say Houdini wants to make cat training videos. So right there, you would just type in cat training, and then let's go ahead and add this. And then click save. And then it says our categories have been updated successfully. So let's close out there. Okay, so now that that's been added, let's go ahead and click on topics again. And then let's scroll down to cat training and tricks. Okay, so now if you look at Houdini's channel compared to the cat training topic, you can see that we're actually doing pretty well. So again, looking at Houdini's average length of their YouTube videos, it's about 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And then the average video length for the top performing videos within that topic has the same length. It's, again, 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So it'd be smart on our channel that if we did want to do cat training videos, we should keep them at about 3 minutes, which is the video average on the channel. And so the last cool thing you can do with this tool is that you can search for any YouTube channel's average video length, and you don't even have to be signed in as that channel. Okay, let's say I want to type in Screen Rant. So let me go ahead and type these guys in. And we'll click on that. And then as you can see, all of Screen Rant's video length data appears on screen just like that. Super easy. So because I'm not signed in under Screen Rant, I'm just looking at their channel, I actually can't look at all these different categories like I was doing with Houdini. I can only look at the primary topic, which is right here under average video length for the top 10%. They are under the topic of movie trailers, reviews, clips, vlogs, and awards. So again, that's just something to keep in mind when you're looking at other YouTube channels that you're not signed in on as VideoAmigo. You can only look at the primary topic. So that is it for the links tool here on VideoAmigo. It's super easy to use, and it's super helpful to see how long your videos should be based on the topic that you're interested in making videos on. But with that being said, thank you guys very much for watching. I super appreciate it. Please leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed it and you found this helpful, and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and VideoAmigo tutorials and tips. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later, amigos.